What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Are you a coin collector looking for a better way to see the finest details of your collection without straining your eyes? Today on Triplezon, we are searching for the best digital coin microscope to bring hidden details into clear view. Let's get started. If you want a device that combines modern technology with hobbyist needs, check out the IPS Digital Coin Microscope. This versatile tool is designed to bring the microscopic world into clear view for beginners and collectors. IPS has created a fantastic device that sits comfortably on your desk while expanding your ability to inspect small objects. It solves the problem of using uncomfortable traditional eyepieces by offering a clear screen experience. Whether you are examining rare coins, stamps, or tiny items, this microscope enhances your hobby. Let us look at the capabilities of the IPS Digital Coin Microscope. It offers a wide magnification range from 50x to 1000x, allowing users to explore the finest details of their specimens. The actual level of magnification varies depending on screen size and distance from the object, ensuring a precise observation tailored to each situation. It comes equipped with a 4.3-inch IPS LCD display that delivers real-time, high-definition 1080p imaging. This crisp screen is powered by a 2-megapixel ultra-precise focus camera. One of the best benefits of this display design is how it protects your physical comfort. Instead of hunching over a traditional lens, you look directly at the display, which reduces eye and neck strain over extended periods of use. To make sure your specimens are perfectly illuminated, the microscope features 8 built-in adjustable LED lights. You can fine-tune the brightness using a convenient LED adjustment wheel. This ensures that objects are clearly visible under any lighting conditions, highlighting every tiny detail. Beyond standard observation, the IPS Digital Coin Microscope offers excellent multimedia functionality. It functions as a PC camera, allowing you to connect it to your computer to share findings or document discoveries. Users can capture high-resolution photos or record video clips directly through the device. Taking a photo is as simple as a short press on the OK button, while recording a video requires a long press. This makes it easy to build a digital archive or share images with fellow collectors. When it comes to versatility, this lightweight and compact microscope is user-friendly and suitable for a wide variety of applications. It can be utilized for inspecting coins, gems, circuit boards, or even small plants and insects. This makes it an outstanding educational tool for students, hobbyists, and curious learners who want to explore science at home. While it is not intended for advanced biological research, it provides an interactive and engaging experience for your everyday projects. Are you ready to see your collection in a whole new way with this excellent device? Check the price link in the description to find the latest deals and pick up yours today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Triplezon. We always love bringing you the best tools to enhance your hobbies, and your support means everything to us. Thank you so much for watching, have fun exploring your collection, and we will see you in the next video.